I just arrived and they're all starting to come and say hi to me. It's pretty cool. Because these are totally unhandled. The only ones that have a little bit of handling are the ones with halters. But none of these have halters, except my little guy there. But they really come with interest. And I don't feed them or anything. So they just come to say hi. They start just creeping up, usually behind me, because they want to touch me, but they're scared. If I look at them, then they kind of go, oh, that's scary. I'm totally surrounded by them. And I feel good. I've been doing this for a while now, and they only show interest. Cool. So interested. See, if I face him, and he turns his head away right away. All I have to do is look at him and see how he turns his head, because my eyes are on him. Their language with me and with each other is very subtle. It's easy to miss if you're not paying attention. See there, I just glanced at the chestnut and he turned away. It's so interesting. Like he actually turns his eyes away and just does a slight turn of the head. Show that he's not interested in any conflict. See there, I looked at the buckskin and he turned his head away. I turned to the chestnut and he turned away again. See, I'm looking at the buckskin and he's turning his head away. And now I'm looking at the bay. And he's turning his head away when I look at him. It's very interesting. There's another one creeping up behind. The little pinto's peeking underneath from safe space. They're starting to relax. They just enjoy being together and being with me. They do this often where they'll start crowding around me and then they'll just start relaxing and snoozing. Oh, here comes my guy. He likes to watch for a little while and then he'll approach. He is older and a bit more dominant, so the other ones do move out of his way generally. Hi, Phoenix. They're super careful and aware of how they move around me and how they move around each other. When I'm working with Phoenix, he's noticing every movement of the other horses. He's super aware. Like he doesn't just kind of zone out and ignore it. Like I can, anytime a horse is moving in the group, he's paying attention. And they all do that, which makes me realize and understand how important all of my movements are and how aware horses are of every little move that we make also. Oh, there's the bay. Cool. This is the second time now that he is doing this. He would always hide. As soon as he would see me, he would hide in the middle of the group. And yeah, I can even look at him now and he's not turning away. This is very new. Cool. Because he's an older one too, and they usually hide from my focus. Like if I'm looking at them, they want to hide. If I put my attention on them, they just want to hide in the group. So this is a really big deal for him. I've been coming here for about 6 weeks. I come almost every day, and so he's obviously getting more comfortable with me. This big red guy is creeping closer. Very cool.